Now we will measure the ECG, which is the most important parameter, most important vital during the time of emergency, through the help of Remote device. For measuring the ECG, we have to hold the device in a particular way. You can see how the patient is holding this device, in which you need to hold it by 3 fingers on the 3 sensors. So after the patient has hold the device, we will start measuring. You can see the graph of ECG. It's visible on the screen. And done. The ECG is done. When you save result, the graph, the whole graph is saved. Through the trends, we can also check the trend of the patient, like how was her blood oxygen level previously, how was her pulse now. You can see this in the pulse, it's showing the trends. All the trends are visible in the graphical manner. You can also see the ECG trends over here. The most important feature of the Ziffy Health app is the trend analysis. So the whole demo of the Remote devices is complete, in which you can see the 5 parameters which are being measured. So this is the ECG, blood pressure, blood sugar random of the patient, and also if the person wishes to fill any personal details like their weight, height, it is also visible over here. So this Remote device at a time of emergency can be placed in ambulance, in which while the patient is taken from the location to the nearby hospital, all of this vitals are available to the hospital in advance. So while we come back to the Ziffy Health app, I will again like to show you the trend analysis and how it works. So while we go into the medical reports, you can see all the reports which the patient has done from the time being. You then select the random glucose which she has been doing, and you just have to press the view option. Here you can see the graphical representation of the random glucose. The same is for the fasting. Means on the 3rd August, when she had done her random glucose, it was around 85, and you can see the result thereon and thereafter. This is the graphical representation of the reports. So here we conclude. Thank you so much for watching the demo.